So hello everyone. I'll be showing you right now how to start the servers and feed the videos to our models. Presently, we're using some pre-recorded videos, but our model will even work on the real-time video feeds. Pre-recorded videos are such. These are some crowd videos we'll be using. Now I'll be starting my server and passing on the videos to the Python notebooks. It will be passing its data and its analysis to a Firebase backend. Yeah, so it started. And as we can see over here, the data is being rendered real time onto the database.
So now we are heading towards our mobile application for our project Co-Vigilance. These are the onboarding pages. Next, the user will have an option to log in as well as register. As of now, we are going with the register option. This is the home screen for our application. It basically contains tabs for places. The places for which we have the crowd data available with us and some other tabs as well, starting with the FAQs tab. It contains the basic information regarding our mobile application. Next, um, we have we have dedicated a tab for a particular place, and in that tab we have divided a place into zones, and those graphs are basically showing the crowd density in a particular zone. Also, it is depicted in this that whether a place is free or not. Also, there are notifications which the user will get when the place changes its state from free to crowded. We also have some more tabs such as subscribe and vaccination, but they are still under development.
So this is the website that we have developed for the authorities to monitor the situation. Let me show you the login feature. So this would be a common portal for the authorities of that place to log into. Once that, okay, so this is the register feature. And once that authority is in, he can monitor any region he wants. So here we have divided a place into different zones. As you can see, we have made zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. So for example, we are monitoring a mall. So mall has different floors. So we can divide those floors into different zones and monitor each floor separately. Then here you can see all the real-time info that we are going to get from the CCTV feeds, and all of this is real-time that we just saw that Vedanshi fired the database and she she uploaded the videos that are routing through the Firebase. So here you can see the active users that are currently in our mall. Here are the total violations that are taking place at this moment. Here, as you can see, just now there was one mask violation, and here there are social distancing violations. Of course, social distancing violations would be more. So this is the number of violations graph, and these graphs will help the authorities for better visualization. Then here we have enabled a user login feature wherein we can get a log of all the users that have entered our system or those who are currently offline. And according to this, we can monitor these people and take some action if we want. As of now, this is a dummy data. We will be working on it to make this working. And this is pretty much it.